Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Denali Volcanic Red Tintcoat paint with a Jet Black and Teak interior. Under the hood you have a 2.7-liter turbo paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find include heated and cooling seats with a heated steering wheel, wireless charging, heads-up display, a power sunroof, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that Jet Black and Teak color scheme on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console, and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks, as well as memory settings for those seats and mirrors. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have some interior lighting controls and your trailer brake controller. Black leather bucket seating with Denali etching at the top. You can see those teak accents as well. Power controls and lumbar support on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control and forward collision alerts, while on the right has voice recognition, steering wheel audio controls, your heated steering wheel, and this here will change the display in front of you depending on the display and the preference that you prefer. There's a few different options here that you can go through. The entertainment screen in the center has your phone settings if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, navigation. The audio here will be your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, cameras that you can look through here with several options along the bottom here. You also have your settings for the vehicle and the display itself, your digital climate control. We'll have your temperature gauge, fan speed, and air conditioning controls on the screen. The dual zone climate control, you have the physical controls just below the screen. So you have your temperature gauge, your fan speed in the center here, air conditioning controls, as well as your heated and cooling seats for the driver and the passenger. Push to start is just to the left. A few options below that will include your automatic start and stop, your hazards, lane keep assist. You can see a couple others as well. Wireless charging pad at the front with a couple outlets for you to use. Next to the shifter you have your dial mode, your drive mode selector here, electronic parking brake, dual cup holder just in front of the center console, which you can open that up for more storage space inside. Up top, you have the rear view mirror, of course. You also have the power controls for the sunroof located above you. And just in front of the passenger, you have the glove box, so there's some storage space in the front if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that nice volcanic red tint coat, the red GMC emblem in the center of the chrome grille, gray accents along the bottom of the front bumper, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, chrome mirror caps with your blind spot indicator at the front, chrome door handles with keyless entry, and the chrome assist steps that run along the side. At the back, you have the corner step rear bumper for easier access into the back of the truck and the hard folding tonneau cover. Open up the tailgate here, you have plenty of storage space in the back with cargo tie-down locations at each corner, as well as having onboard power. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same Jet Black and Teak color scheme you had in the front with magazine holders on the backs of the seats. The black leather seating here as well with the center folding down for cup holders for the rear passengers. The handle on the side will lift the seats, giving you access to under seat storage and more storage space in the back. On the back of the center console, you have two cup holders, a couple of air vents, and a few outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Denali. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.